What is going on, YouTube? The winter months are approaching, and so the top is staying on. If we want the open air feeling, the first thing to come off is the doors. However, there's no side mirror on the doors, so today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. And I'm going to be doing so using nothing but easy to find, easy to source tools like wrenches, adjustable wrenches. So stay tuned to check it out. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. We just gave a set of LED headlights totally free away to a lucky viewer. We're gonna do so again at 1,000 plus another surprise at 1,000. So just make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and let us know what you think of our videos. So we decided to go with the AL 4x4 side view mirrors. We've had a set of these, a different set of side view mirrors in the past, but they didn't work very well for us. They would rattle as we would drive. So we decided to grab a better set that comes with a 2-year warranty. Now, just like the other set, this one is made out of steel, but unlike the other one, this one has this rubber coating around it and looks like it's a little whiter than the first one. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. So let's see what else comes in the box. The second one. As well as brackets and some instructions. Maybe not instructions, or maybe, yes, instructions. All right, 4 steps. The easy 4-step process to get it done. Here's all the parts that should come with it. The side view mirrors. Let's get started. Just as a complete side note, Jeep days are the best days. There's nothing better than installing fresh parts out of a box and improving the quality of your Jeep. We hope that by making these videos, we can show you that good parts don't have to be expensive. You don't have to buy brand names. You could buy names that aren't as well known and they'll perform just fine. They'll perform way more than you need them to perform. Let's continue. So the nice thing about these side mirrors, they have 3 of these Phillips screws on the rear. These are pivot screws which allow you to rotate around this rear view mirror. Hopefully by adjusting it we can get the exact rear view perspective that we want, as well as no rattling. Just as another note, it comes with these rubber gaskets, which is something the other set did not have. So I'm hoping that through all of these rubbers we're gonna have cushioned side view mirrors. So now that we have everything unboxed, I'm gonna just loosen the nut, the lock washer, and the flat washer off one of the side view mirrors. Set this aside. We're gonna go ahead and attach one of the L-shaped brackets back on, and now we go to the hinge. So at the hinge, and I guess just before we go to the hinge, we remove one of these nuts here. One of the rubber and one of the lock washers. Alright, now we get to place this in our hinge. As an FYI, some of the hinges have this sleeve in it. You can just go ahead and remove it. You don't need it for this part. I'd keep that with your door hinge. So we can adjust this nut over here to raise or lower it. I'm gonna put the rubber. Now comes the second bracket. We're gonna place this over here and put our washers, our nuts, and go ahead and screw the nut on by hand. And at this time, grab the side mirror and pop it right through these holes right over there. Before you attach the side mirror, you're gonna have to tighten this down so these holes will line up. I prefer to use an adjustable wrench to get this job done. I guess I could try a ratcheting wrench. Adjustable it is. Once you have tightened that bottom nut, you can go ahead and tighten the top nut, which can be found right on the reverse side, right over here. I use the same adjustable wrench, and that's why I prefer to use adjustable wrenches, just to get it all done with one wrench. Once you've tightened the bottom nut, you can now go ahead and use a shorty screwdriver to adjust the angle of the mirror. So just going back and forth to the driver's seat and seeing my angle, I went ahead and dialed it in. This is exactly perfect for me. I think it looks great. Let's see how it tests on the road, but first let's go install the other side as well. All we need is the adjustable wrench, the shorty Phillips, and the parts that come with the kit. Just repeat the steps from the other side. Again, time to adjust the angle. So they're all installed. I adjusted them. That's the driver, and that is the passenger side. Let's see how they perform on the road. So this is a cold start. At idle, they're actually not even vibrating. I think that's pretty good. I love that. The other ones would vibrate, but these are not vibrating at all. These are a must-have for anyone riding doorless. I don't know how I did it without these before. I think they make a great addition. They're pretty inexpensive and they get bolt on pretty quickly. Once you adjust it the first time, you're not gonna have to adjust it again. So you're just gonna need an adjustable wrench, which most people just keep in their Jeeps anyway. So thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll drop the product link in the description below so you can find the exact one that I used. I'm pretty happy with these. I'll update I'll update this channel if anything changes, but for now, these AL 4x4 side mirrors are pretty rad. They're pretty awesome, and I would buy them again in a heartbeat. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for an LED headlight giveaway. Thank you.